Guys, welcome to today's video. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I create the perfect vision board and bring it to reality in my life. If this sounds like something that you'd be interested in, stick with me. Welcome back, guys. If it's your first time here, hi, my name is Chelsea. I always recommend that you subscribe because we have so much fun here. I share personal development, mom life, lifestyle, and bits and bobs of my relocation experience and stories. If this sounds like something you might be interested in, you definitely subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I put up a new video, you'll be the first to know. Now, on to today's video. Creating a vision board helps you to understand exactly what it is that you want to do, and it also keeps you motivated to continue to go after your goals. At least that is completely true for me. Last year, every single item I put on my vision board, I achieved. In fact, I surpassed all of them because I had a clear goal, I had a clear vision, and I put it where I could see it. At the time, I had it straight on my wallpaper and on my computer. I also had a printed copy that I hid in my Bible, just to continue to remind myself exactly where I'm going so that I remain on course. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I create my vision board and how I ensure that I continue to remain motivated to bring each and every one of the items on it to life. If you're new to personal development and you're wondering what is a vision board, a vision board is a visual representation of the things that you intend to achieve in the coming year. Usually, some of the items on your vision board are expected to be lofty and aspirational so that they continue to challenge you and push you towards achieving them. Why vision boards, you may ask? I'm a firm believer in the word keep the vision plain, make it clear, such that anyone at all can see it and be able to run with it. Vision board helps to keep us going because you can clearly see what it is that you want to achieve. The visual representation of it stimulates you to continue to push, to continue to work towards it. Because you can clearly see what you're working towards, you're able to delay gratification and continue to do the work that is required to achieve these things. With a vision board, there is also a high chance of you being able to continue to be motivated and disciplined to achieve your goals. Especially for people who are visually stimulated, seeing your vision board reminds you of what your life will look like when you finally achieve the things on your vision board. I know a lot of people have reservations around creating vision boards and how they feel like you can actually achieve your things without putting them on a board. But trust me, this works for me and so many other people that I know. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how I create mine and how I'm able to stay motivated to continue to do what I need to do to achieve the things on my vision board. This was my vision board from last year, and every single thing on this vision board I achieved for last year. However, there were a bit of detail, there were a bit of changes, there were a bit of adjustments here and there. But I'm so thankful that I was able to ring in all of these items you can see here. I wanted to travel the world. If you follow me on Instagram here, you know that last year was the year of travel. I went to Bali, I went to Malta, I went to Barcelona, and a couple of other countries that I didn't even share on my social media. Typically, with my vision board every year, I will create one main one, and based on that one main one, I will create other adaptations, which then breaks down all of the things that I plan to do. This is to enable me stay focused on each of these areas and really put in effort and time in achieving each of those things. Another reason I break down the main vision board into smaller ones or specific ones is because it also helps me to see clearly on the granular level what I really want to do, how I want to do it, and be able to create action steps to bringing them to life. To create my vision board, I use Canva. Canva allows you to play with different kind of orientation, whether you like it portrait, whether you like it landscape, you can do whatever. Also, because Canva allows you to get images, you can put images from Pinterest. Canva also has images within that you can utilize. This is my main vision board showing my fitness and my word for my fitness. Also showing my anchor word for the year, God is within her, she will not fail. Also, it shows my intimate relationship, travel, the things that I want to do with my children, how I want to live, my relationship with God, in terms of my content. And what I've also done is create small adaptations. These other adaptations helps me to stay focused on each of these areas so that I clearly see what I want to do and be able to create action steps to make them happen. Now, with the smaller goals, for the purpose of this video, I have broken down 3 different ones. So I've created what I want to do in terms of my creative career and endeavor. So if you look at this, you can see I have the CEO to the million logo there. I also have the World Content Creator, which reminds me that I want to take my content serious this year. Also within there, you can see the YouTube plaque. I have the lofty goal to reach 100,000 subscribers this year. Whoop whoop. And I know that you can help me achieve that by first subscribing and sharing my videos with people who are going to find it useful. It would help the channel. Thank you. Back to the video. If you look in here, You can see I have travel in there. I want to be able to make a certain figure from my content creation business. I'm hoping that this year I will be able to take a big leap into full-time content creation. Fingers crossed. I also have there the podcast microphone, which is part of the plan for the year. I also have there me creating short form content. So I created this content creator vision board as an offshoot of my main vision board so that it makes it easy for me to see clearly what are the things that I want to achieve, what are the things that I want to do within my content creation endeavor. The other offshoot I created off of the main one is also called body. And if you look in there, you can see I say queen image. So for me, the whole body look is how do I show up as the soft queen that I am? So I decided these are the kind of clothes I want to wear. This is the way that I want to wear my makeup. This is the way that I want to wear my hair. I want my nails to be this design. I'm going for a more neutral, softer vibe, softer look, softer makeup in the new year. So having it on my vision board really helps to remind me of where exactly I'm going. So for example, if I'm going to go and do a photo shoot and somebody else is doing my makeup, I can show them, oh, this is how I want to look. So it makes it easy to communicate what it is that I'm trying to do, because as you can see, there is some sort of cohesion and everything just looks put together. Depending on what you like, if you like really loud colors, go for it, girl. This is just what I want. This is where I'm at right now. And it is reflected all through my vision board, be it the main one or all the other offshoots which I have created. If you look on the right hand side there, you will see the freezer filled with healthy food. What kind of food do I want to feed my body? What kind of things do I want to be eating? The workout. This year is the year that I want to ring in the abs. So I put it clearly there. How often do I want to go to the spa? I want to spend more time with myself. Wellness. What are the things I want to do? Do I want to go ballet? Do I want to go Pilates? Just different things within the body space. All of these boards always has me in the center of it. So I can really visualize myself being this person who wears this kind of hair, being this person who has a makeup done this type of way, being this person who wears this kind of clothes. So this vision board helps me to embody the look, the aesthetics of this person who achieves all of these things already. The next board, which I created as an offshoot of my main vision board, is for my business. You can see Desire 1709 is right there in the middle. There's also a picture of me being blessed with so much orders going out, me packing orders for the business, me just saying I'm capable of success and abundance in my business. This is the word that really stood out for me this year, and I actually have it printed out and in front of my mirror in my room as an affirmation for my business for the days that I need some sort of pick me up to continue to push my business. Also, if you look in there, you will see like a word of cash, because money flows to me from endless sources in my business this year. One of the big things that I want to do this year for my business is also like loads of pop-up to increase awareness in the UK. Even if there is some sort of pop-up that I can even go to abroad, I know that the big thing that I want to focus on this year is pop-ups, and you guys are going to see a lot of that happening very soon. If you're not following my business, I'm going to put the link somewhere here, so you definitely should go and check us out. We're going to be popping up in so many places, maybe in a city near you. Watch out. So I put all of that on my business board to remind myself of what needs to get done so that I can stay on track and I can really stay on business. So those are the offshoots I created off of the main board for the purpose of this video. And honestly, it's super easy. I basically just go on Pinterest. I click the pictures that I'm looking for. Some of it, I've seen them before on social media. Some of the words, I will see them on Instagram. I will screenshot them, and then I'll bring all of this into Canva. Once you bring all of the images onto Canva, you start to move them around as you like, just to create whether you prefer a portrait view or a landscape view. My main vision board is usually a portrait view, because then I can put that on the screen of my phone, as I've done all through the years. And then the offshoots are usually landscape, which makes it also easy for me to maybe print out on a one-sheet page so that it becomes easy for me to see and walk through as I go about my daily life. Also, you can decide to save yours on Canva or just save it on your phone. But mostly, I leave everything on Canva. The only one that I print out is the main one, because I want to put it in my Bible so that I can continue to partner with God to bring these things to life. Otherwise, I leave all of it as online copies, and I can easily make reference to it on my Canva as I'm moving along, or I save them on my phone and I have them in a folder so I can easily just check it to have a look. And every quarter I sit down and I start to review how far I've come, how are we going with the goals? Am I still on track? Do I need to move anything around? Has anything changed that needs some sort of adjustment or tweaking here and there? Because I'm fully aware that life is not 100% bed of roses. Sometimes things happen and we need to move our plans around. So my vision board allows me to create some sort of detail, because I look at it and I'm like, if this is not going to happen because maybe some economic changes have happened, I am able to easily make some little tweaks and adjustments that still helps me to remain remain on track so that at the end of the year, I would have still achieved all of my goals. Creating these vision boards are very therapeutic and they just make me feel like I'm doing something right, I'm in the right direction and steering my life in the right way. Also, having this vision board helps me to remain motivated. It helps me to remain on track because it just shows me the kind of things that can happen if I continue to push, if I continue to put in work. That will be it for this video, guys. I hope you find this video useful. It was more like a workshop, walk you guys through, show you how I do it type of thing. And I honestly hope that you find it useful. If you did, please share with somebody else who would find it useful also. And don't forget to give it a thumbs up. This tells the algorithm that this video is valuable, you enjoy it, and somebody else like you will be able to find it. Also, it helps the channel a whole lot. I love to read from my subscribers. I love to see your comment. I love to hear what you think about this video so that it would help me make better decisions about the kind of things that you guys would like to see. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know how you do your own vision board. And if you're not a vision board girl, teach us something. Let's keep the conversation going in the comment section down below. If you have any suggestion or a video request or just something you want me to talk about or you would like my opinion on, feel free to leave me a comment. Send me a message on Instagram. I'll be more than happy to oblige. I love to connect with my subscribers, especially on social media. So I am at Gregory-jonah on all social media platforms. Hit the follow button and let's connect. Until next time, to an amazing and successful year. Bye, everyone.